Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to organize the files in Adobe Premiere Pro so that it's very easy for you to edit videos way faster than you are thinking. It's not a rocket science to do this. All you need is just 5 minutes, or even I can say less than 5 minutes of time to create the folders and organize it. I'll show you how to do that. First, import all the footage that you want to use for your project. Next, in the project tab, right click and choose new bin. So a folder will be created like this, and here you can name it as whatever you want. So let's say I'm making a review video. So for that, A roll will be separately organized here. Then B rolls. Even in the B rolls, I can create indoor outdoor conditions so that it's going to be even more organized. Next, I create one more folder of sound effects, another folder of background music, and another folder for call to actions like subscribing buttons or follow me on Instagram, like those type of buttons. Like this, if you organize all the files, it's going to be very easy and convenient for you to edit much faster. It's like open fact, like everyone knows it but no one uses it. Just start using it right after watching this video, and after using it for like let's say 1 week, come again to this video and comment how much time you saved and how much it is going to be helpful. So that's all about the video. Before ending this, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tips and tricks followed by YouTube growth related videos on this channel.